Alright, so we got the Taotao. Came in this nice little giant box and metal frame right here. It's pretty much we just need to put on this front wheel, the little mud guard, and the handlebars. Oh, and the rear brake right here. Alright guys, we got our little Taotao db17 125. After riding Alex's, I was like, man, I need to get another little small bike. Just in time for my KX 125 to, you know, the clutch to be whacked up. So, put it all together. I kind of forgot to do a little time lapse and stuff, but plastic's still on there. I'm going to take that off in a little bit. It's honestly looking sick, bro. I like that red and black, and then kind of like a little bit of white scheme. Like, that's actually kind of looking sick. But yeah, we decided, hey, let's get a Taotao. Because, I mean, no joke, everywhere around me, dirt bikes are so expensive. Like, people are just overpricing their dirt bikes. You can't even find a good pit bike that works for like under $1,000. Missing engine, no carburetor, like oh yeah, it's missing one tire too. Yeah, oh yeah, no handlebars either. But yeah, 800. Like, this thing, I'm hoping this is gonna be good. You know, it's obviously Chinese bike, right? Blah blah blah. It's like, shit got real. What is that thing? That's a real bike right there. It's a 2-stroke 125. Oh, you should, like, you know, I bought this thing to mess around on. I know it's Chinese. I know it's cheap. Like, I'm just kind of bought this to mess around on. Like, parts are super cheap. Like, an engine and a whole transmission for like $250 or something. Or it might even be cheaper than that. The entire engine and transmission, $250. That is super cheap, you know? So it's like, imagine I get 100 hours out of this, and I just buy another engine for $250. Like, that's like money well spent, you know? Carburetors are super cheap. Probably gonna end up replacing that carburetor. It's not like that good, but you can get a carburetor with one of these for like, what, 20-30 bucks, and it's like a decent one. Maybe $50 for like a good one. And like, that's just my thoughts on the Taotao, you know. Okay, so we just drained the oil. And it was like yellow, and now it's like green. Really like darkish green. You can see, like, at the top, there's kind of that yellow. But then it, like, gets all dark. So, there was definitely some metal shavings and stuff in there. But it's good we cleaned that out. Eyo. Hopefully you can see this, kind of. But I mean, yeah. Dang, this bike is actually sweet. Alright, boys. So, we got a Taotao. Today, we're gonna be we'll go ahead and ride it today. I mean, some of the problems I said, the clutch, fix that, that's fine. This thing, I mean, like, there's still a little bit of wiggle, but not as bad as, like, before. You know? That's like I mess with that a lot, but I don't know, that's like the best I can get it. I don't know if it's just like loose up in there or whatnot, but Honestly, if that's gonna stay like that, it's fine with me. It's not that big of a deal. Main problem I got is the front brake. There's not a way you can really tighten the front brake, or like tighten and loosen it. So I ran the cable down here, right? The front brake's like rubbing like all the time. Tried to loosen it, nothing. Like, I don't even think you can tighten it or loosen it. I don't think there's anything you can do about it, which kind of sucks. Adjusted the idle again, just real quick earlier, and yeah. Alright, slowly letting off the clutch. Okay, so it starts grabbing about right there. I'll tell you what, this is way different. Holy crap. We hit like 27 or something. What the heck? It's so weird being on like a small bike. It feels, oh, I just hit that rock. Holy crap. It's so much fun though. But whenever you downshift like that, it's pretty different, you know. So much easier to turn, but a lot more unstable too. Let's see what happens whenever we hit a little bump. Not a whole lot of suspension there, but